Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to play with modded Minecraft with your friends. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is first of all download a mod, which you can download from CurseForge or any other websites. So once you have downloaded your mod loader, you need to now download your mod. In the CurseForge app, all you need to do is simply type in the version you want to download, and once you get it, you can simply tap on it and hit the download button to get downloaded. Make sure that you download the correct version. If you are downloading several versions, you can follow the same step as well. After downloading the mod loader and the mod, you need to now download the essentials as well. Simply type in the essentials you need, and once you type it in, you need to download it as well according to your version. So now to play with your friends, you need to make sure that your friends are doing the same step and they are downloading the same thing as well. So now after everything, you need to simply join a world and add your friends to play your modded Minecraft with friends. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.